Do you believe that facial fillers or other kind of fillers are only meant for women? Or do you feel that facial fillers are only for lip augmentation? Stay tuned. Dear friends, I'm Dr. BK Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area at Iconic Clinic. In today's video, I would like to bust the myth that men are not right candidate for facial fillers. It's generally believed by many of us that only women make use of facial fillers to enhance their appearance. But it's important to know that men can also be right candidate for facial filler procedures. There are many areas or many problems in male face which can be addressed safely and effectively by making use of various kind of facial fillers which are available to us. So if you really want to know what all kind of problems or issues can be dealt by facial fillers, we can start right from your face. We can fill up deeply grooved forehead lines. Many times when forehead lines are long standing, they cannot be taken care of by Botox alone because these lines have made deep furrows in your skin and they need to be filled up to get smooth forehead appearance. With aging, many of us lose fat and develop hollowness in our temple areas. It can be easily filled up with facial fillers. Then under eye filling for hollowness can also be done. Superficial acne scars, pitting scars or some injury marks can be filled up by facial fillers. Apart from that, the major sign of aging in men is nasolabial folds. Laxity of skin and with effect of gravity, many times nasolabial folds or laugh lines as they are commonly called, they become very prominent. Many of these lines can be resolved or can be improved by 15-minute procedure using facial fillers. Apart from that, we can do facial contouring for men also using facial fillers. We can do chin enhancement, we can do nose enhancement, we can improve minor nose abnormalities using facial fillers. Apart from that, strong chin and strong jawline is very masculine feature and many men desire that. Facial filler provides us means to achieve contour enhancement for lower jaw and chin in very non-surgical and quick way. So facial fillers can take care of wrinkles, folds and even provide contour enhancement for all ages of men in very simple and effective manner. So if you are looking to achieve some improvement in your contour or some deep folds or wrinkles, facial fillers can be an option even for men. So if you have any more queries regarding this procedure, please get in touch with us. We're very happy to help you.